Now we will discuss about some gate point of view questions in return period. So here, first of all, we have to know some important formulas in this particular topic. So probability P equal to 1 by return period. So discharge capital Q equal to 1 minus probability, and reliability equal to Q power n, and risk equal to 1 minus Q power n. We have to remember all these formulas. These are very important. And coming to the first problem. So this is one of the gate question. The return period for the annual maximum flood of a given magnitude is 8 years. The probability that this flood will be exceed once during the next 5 years. So here, first of all, you have to know the value of return period. Return period capital T equal to 8 years. So you know the formula for risk. Risk equal to 1 minus Q power n. So whereas small n equal to 5 years. So you know the formula for discharge. Discharge Q equal to 1 minus probability. So here probability means 1 by return period. So here Q equal to, substitute the value of P equal to 1 by T in this discharge. So Q equal to 1 minus 1 by T. So finally risk equal to 1 minus Q power n. So that means 1 minus Q means 1 by T whole power n. Substitute the value of n equal to 5 years and return period T equal to 8 years. So 1 minus 1 by 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 by 8 whole power 8. So finally you got 0.487. Okay. Coming to the next problem. A 1 hour rainfall of 10 centimeters magnitude at a station has a return period of 50 years. The probability that a 1 hour rainfall of magnitude 10 centimeters or more will occur in each of the 2 successive years. So first of all, you have to know the value of return period T equal to 50 years, and here n equal to 2 successive years. So after that you have to find out the risk. Risk equal to 1 minus Q power n. Here you know the formula for discharge Q equal to 1 minus probability. P equal to 1 by return period. Here you know the value of T. P equal to 1 by 50 and Q equal to 1 minus 1 by 50. After that you have to find out the risk. Risk equal to 1 minus Q power n. That means 1 minus 1 by 50 whole power n. Substitute the value of n equal to 2. 1 minus into 1 minus 1 by 50 whole power 2. So finally you got 0.04. I will explain another example problem. The probability that the annual maximum flood discharge will exceed 25,000 meter cube per second at least once in next 5 years is found to be 0.25. The return period of this flood event in years round off to be 1 decimal places. So first of all, here the flood discharge value is unnecessary. So first of all you have to know the value of risk equal to 0.25. So the formula for risk equal to 1 minus Q power n. So that is equal to 0.25. So here you know the formula for discharge equal to 1 minus probability. So risk equal to 1 minus p whole power n, that is equal to 0.25. So after getting this risk, you know the value of probability p equal to 0.559. So after getting this probability, you have to find out the return period, p equal to 1 by time period. So 1 by time period equal to 0.559. So you got time period t equal to 1 by 0.559, that is 17.9 years. So return period capital T equal to 17.9 years. So I hope you have understood all those things in this topic. Thank you.